We recently stayed at the IHG 4-star Crowne Plaza Hotel. We picked it because it was only a block away from the Nice International Airport Terminal 1. Check-in was super easy, and the concierge gave us great suggestions for dinner. After a long day of travel, we were so happy to have a room with a comfortable bed, a mini fridge, water, and an espresso maker. The large bathroom was perfect for 2 people to get ready. There was a bathtub with a shower and a separate walk-in shower. The European buffet was wonderful. Delicious French cheeses, meats, breads, and of course the quintessential French croissant, which were flaky and delicious. Rooms start at about $150 per night, and parking is available for a fee. We really enjoyed our stay at the IHG Crowne Plaza Hotel. The price, location, and French breakfast just can't be beat.